Unlock financial freedom with Azon Wealth System. Welcome to our journey towards financial freedom, where we'll explore 5 powerful strategies using the Azon Wealth System to transform your financial future. Understand the importance of setting clear financial goals. With the Azon Wealth System, prioritize short-term and long-term objectives to guide your path to success. Develop a disciplined budgeting habit. This system emphasizes tracking expenses and maximizing savings, providing a framework to keep your financial plans on track. Learn to invest wisely. The Azon Wealth System offers insights into lucrative opportunities, helping you build a diverse portfolio that aligns with your financial aspirations. Create multiple income streams. The system guides you in identifying and leveraging passive income sources, enhancing your financial stability and growth. Embrace the power of knowledge. Continuous learning and upgrading skills are vital in the Azon Wealth System, ensuring you're always ready for financial opportunities. Utilize technology for financial management. The Azon Wealth System incorporates innovative tools to streamline your financial processes and enhance decision-making. Build a strong support network. Connect with like-minded individuals and mentors through the Azon Wealth System to share experiences and stay motivated. Stay committed to your financial journey. The Azon Wealth System equips you with the mindset and tools needed to achieve and maintain financial freedom.